guys, Tyler with OLK9 North Georgia. I have 2-year-old Great Pyrenees Murphy here with us. He comes to us for a 1-week board and train program to work on the household manners, and he lives with 3 small children. His owner's big complaints are they can't control him with all those little kids around. They say he knows a little bit of the basics, but the big issue is trying to control him around all 3 kids. See what he knows so far? Murphy, come. Murphy, come. Murphy, come. Come. Good, come, good boy. Murphy, come. Good boy. Can you sit? Murphy, sit. Sit. Good, sit, good boy. Oh, we can't hold it though. Murphy, place. That's a good boy. Yes, good place, good boy. Can you sit? Good boy. Good boy, Murphy. All right, he knows some basics. We're really going to throw a lot of distractions at him, and we're going to make it tough, and we're going to get to it.